Hello everyone! So for today's video guys, we are here at Tubangon Aqua Marine Park. Baniko ninyo guys, let us visit and explore the beautiful place of Tubangon Aqua Marine Park located in Lagundingan, Misamis Oriental. Guys, this park is known for its cool waters and it has a perfect spot for swimming, snorkeling, diving, and kayaking. Let us dive into the fascinating world of mangrove beaches. So as you can see guys, it is my first time to be here and nakita nako it has 22 hectares of mangrove forest that offers us a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And if you wanted to check this area, just visit here. You can take pictures because it was my first time to be here, and it is so amazing. If it is sunny, you will see the crystal clear water and beautiful view of mangroves. Guys, kung gusto ka mo ani diri guys, pwede ta makarent sa cottages. It ranges 200 to 1,000 pesos only. Pero ay 500 guys. Then pwede po ta makarent sa mga kayaks, boats. 600 depende sa kadakuan na ay single na ay pang double, pang family. It depends sa kayak guys, and it pwede ka mo kuan naitag 200, naitag 600 po siya guys. So grabe ka nice ang view. The area is so amazing. And that's it guys. Thank you for today's video. Bye. Love.